This video, I'm going to show you the correct way of adding track and trailers skins in your Trackers of Europe 3 game from Wonder Software without rooting your device. The first step that you need to make is that your phone and your laptop should be connected through the USB cable. You will need to plug in the USB to your phone and then select the data transfer. In the notifications, you need to click on the options for the USB cable and then select the file transfer. After they have both connected, you need to go to your downloads or where you have downloaded the track or the trailer skins. You need to copy all of them. Remember, they need to be in PNG format. You need to copy them. I have copied them. I'll go to my device, this PC, and then go to my phone. I'll double click on it again, go to the Android folder. You then need to go to the data folder. Now, and here you will see a list of several folders from your phone. Here you need to scroll down and find the com.wondersoftware.trackers Europe 3 folder. Double click on it and then go to the files, and then you need to get into the skins folder. Then click on the moon, or you need to get into the track that you are using. For me, I'm using the moon track, and then THA, I'll get into it and then paste the pictures. That way, if you have done that, you have bypassed all Android securities and you have copied and pasted the PNG images in your Wonder folder that is restricted from your phone. And that should be it. Make sure that you are in your game. You need to click on the track dealer at the bottom right of your phone screen. And then you need to click on the customize button. It will take you to this page. On top of your screen, you can see some options starting from the chassis, cabin, engine, and now the colors and the skin. You need to click on the colors and skin. On this bottom section, you can see the plus icon with a red background. You need to click on it, add a new skin, and then these are the mods that you have installed in your Wonder folder, which I showcased in the last episode, are displayed here. You need to click any. Maybe I want to install the red one, and you can see that my track is white. Okay, the yellow one, I want the yellow one. And then what I need to do next is just load the skin. It has applied on my track. You can see that my track is now yellow. If I want to change it to another skin, I'll simply click the red one, and then I'll load the skin. And now it has changed the skin, which I can confirm. I am satisfied that the skin looks amazing and it's appealing to my eyes. I need to just click the confirm, and that should be it. This is my new skin on my track. And it is as simple as that. Happy gaming, and make sure that you follow us.